guys, this is Zach, and I'm back with more Minecraft. Sorry for the little echo in the background, just I forgot to plug in my mic, and it's so far away. So yeah. Oh wow, this is awfully strange. Alright, whatever. Forget it. What the frick? Okay, sure, I guess. Oh yeah, I remember this thing. I should just some dumb. Forgot about that. Just let it load up for a minute. Take a couple of seconds. Shouldn't be that long at all. I'm pretty tired. Sorry I haven't uploaded content in a while, but yeah, I'm busy with school once again. I have a lot to do. Alright, so last time we left off with finishing the roof, and now we're gonna make the fancy portion of the roof. So let's go on ahead and do it. What the wait, the frick? That's weird. And I'll just take care of that later. Oh, what? Okay, whatever. Let's just break this. Can we parkour through this? Of course we can. Yeah, like a boss. Okay. We're probably gonna need some more cobblestone. I don't know. Yeah, probably yeah. Whatever. Oh, I forgot to put the thing there. God darn it. Whoops, there we go. There. This may take like about 5 or 6 minutes. But whatever. Once we get done with it at the end, it'll be worth it. I really don't know what part this is. Probably gonna have to look back. I think it's probably part 6. I'm not too sure. Part 5, 6, alright. Whoops, wrong block. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need more cobblestone. And I really need to stop misplacing blocks, because it's just annoying now. Like, I can't get it through my head. It's just that the controls sometimes are like that, but, you know. Alright, let me just finish this one layer. I'll get some more cobblestone. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, there. Now let's get more cobblestone. Let's go back in a little cobblestone place. Oh, whoops. I don't want too many items on. That is so cheating. Oh, snap. I should go to bed. It's night. I don't want to get any mobs on my back. What mode do I have started anyways? What does it matter? So dark in here. Gonna light it up like nobody else. What? Okay, yeah, that's good enough for now. Let's go to bed. Wait, what? I don't have a bed. Oh, damn it, I forgot. Okay. Guess we're gonna have to go get a bed. Gosh, sheeps are just such a pain in the neck sometimes to find and to kill. God damn it. Sheeps. Spies animals. Being so harsh on the poor sheeps. How big is this thing? That's what she said. This is a pretty big terrain. It took me so long to get up here. Damn, how far up am I? Oh wow, it's pretty dang far. Where the frick is the sheep? Like really? Like, you know what, screw this, I just go get some cobblestone. That wasn't such a smart idea. Whatever. So we basically just waste our time. Stupid sheeps. Alright, let's go back to cobblestone mining. When I get my cobblestone, I'm probably gonna end it, alright? So, then, I guess I'll go on to the next part another time, but for now, yeah, that's it. Oh, I heard a chicken. There's animals nearby. Actually, you know what? Let's just do that in the next part. Let's get 2 stacks of cobblestone. Wait, hold on. Once we're done with our house, we'll go mining. Once we're done with mining and getting good valuables, then I don't know what we'll do. Probably start harvesting. Alright, so we got this planned out. Gonna finish the house. Then we're gonna go mining. Get some pretty cool stuff. And once we're done with that, we'll go on and harvest some plants to get some food, and then I don't know what we'll do next. Probably expand our house, work on it a little bit, you know, like a farm, I don't know. Well, I should get some gravel. Maybe if it could be useful. I don't know. Give me flipped. Give me flipped. Give me flipped. Now. 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 Give me flipped. Son of a. Give me flipped already. God damn it. Hurry the. Alright, you know what? Screw you, little idiot. You know what? You're gonna go right there. The block of shame. I despise you too, gravel. Ugh. Maybe this is where we should start mining from and build a stairway down. I don't know. That should be good enough for now. Screw 2 stacks. So this is where we're gonna leave off this position. Peace, guys. See you later. alligator. Oh my god. Not this again. Okay, here we go. Bye, guys.